Measuring rulers used for linear dimensions. स्केल्स जो होते हैं वो हम यूज़ करते हैं टू मेजर दी linear dimensions, right? What is the meaning of linear dimension? It means any dimension which is extend in x direction or in y direction in a straight manner, right? In a straight and maybe incline, right? These are the dimension which we called linear dimension, right? तो आज का जो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ द stainless steel scale, right? And two most important parameters like range and least count. Range and least count. Okay, we are using range and least count. So, what is the range and what is the least count? We explain in our videos. Okay, and range and least count, these parameters tell us exactly what an instrument can measure and how precise it be, right? वो कितना मेजर कर सकता है इंस्ट्रूमेंट और वो कितना प्रिसाइज है। प्रिसाइज के बारे में बताता है लीस्ट काउंट एंड व्हाट एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैन मेजर and how much it is defined by the range, right? So first is range. Okay, range of an instrument represent the entire span of the values it is capable of measuring. It is defined by difference between maximum and minimum limit on the scale, right? For example, if an instrument has a minimum value x minimum and a maximum value x maximum, then the range is expressed as x minimum to x maximum. This is the range, right? Now, second parameter is about least count, right? The least count is the smallest value that can be measured accurately using an instrument. It represents the resolution of the scale, right? The smallest division on the main scale of a measuring instrument, it is least count, right? Now is what is the significance of least count? The significance of a least count is a lower least count means the instrument is more precise. Suppose we have two instruments. First instrument has a least count of 0.1 mm and second instrument has least count of 0.01 mm. By the looking the discount values of two different instrument, we can say that the instrument which has the least count of 0.01 mm, it is more precise. More precise means it can give you a accurate result, accurate measurement of an object, because of it has lower least count as compared to the first one, right? So this is the significance of least count. least count जितना कम होगा, इंस्ट्रूमेंट का जो प्रिसीजन है, जो मेजरमेंट का जो मोर प्रिसाइज होगा, वो उसको मोर एक्यूरेटली मेजरमेंट आपको देगा, राइट? तो टुडे वी हैव द टेक एन एग्जांपल of a scale. Right, this is the scale. Okay, this is stainless steel scale, this is SS scale, right? And the scale which is available in the market of three different types. First is your 3 centimeter scales, we say it 12 inch, yeah, we say it 1 foot scale, right? Second one is 60 centimeter scale, and third one is 100 centimeter scale, right? So this is the scale, right? And this is the from uh, from 1 to 10 centimeter, the least count is 0.5 mm, right? And from 10 to from 10 to up to your 300 mm, the least count is 1 mm. Least count is 1 mm of the scale, right? So in the scale we have measure in mm, centimeter, inches, right? So you can here, you can see clearly that this is from this point, this is inches, right? This is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, right? And this upper side is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, right? And and we can also measure 0.5 mm, 0.5 mm, using this this to 10 mm, 10 centimeter, okay? And upper side we can use 1 1 mm, okay? 1 mm we can measure easily, okay? So this is the mm, centimeter, and I wrote the table that your 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, that is 25.4 mm, and 1 foot equal to 12 inch, right? So this is all about the scales. Okay, what is the list range, what is the list count, and these three different uh, units we use in this scale, okay? Your mm, millimeters, centimeters, and inches. And 12 inches, 12 inch equal to 1 foot, okay? Thank you.